What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on GIMP. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and click on File, hover over Create, then click on Snapshot or Screenshot, right? And then you will have the option to click on Snap directly from here. So we want to go ahead and click on Snap. Then you want to click on this plus, left click on this plus, which is going to allow you to highlight, and then you just basically let go. And right away, you can see that it takes a snapshot or screenshot of my screen. So this is how you can actually do it. Now, if you would like to, for example, do it on another, let's say, screen or whatever, you want to go ahead and you can just open up new. You can say, for example, new, and just click on OK, which is going to open up a new window right here. And you can always go ahead and create a new snapshot as you want, right? So you click on that and you basically click and snap, and you can move this to the next screen if you want to. And basically, once you do that, you can click the plus and you can just take the screenshot like that on a second window, and it's going to basically do it for you, as you can see. So here you can see that I have the screenshots, guys. And yeah, this is how you can actually do that. So that's it. Very easy and very simple.